ko, friend. Ayan, tingnan mo, di ba? Kuripot tong ano ko. Tingnan mo, gaano lang siya kaliit, oh. Oh, very small, di ba? Yung ano ko to, orange. Dati, yung first niya na bunga, very small. Kinakain kasi siya ng uod yung mga dahon, kaya naubos yung mga, ayan, oh, di ba? This is my tanim here. 3 puno tong tinanim ko. Ito lang ang healthy. The other, not healthy. Parang ako. I-show you my, because of my fall in love in YouTube, I cannot clean na my garden na. Ayan, but I have broccoli, you can see. Oh, very healthy. Oranges. Ah, yes, you're back. Thank you. This one is my lettuce. Very healthy. This is my broccoli. This one is finished already because it's very cold, so I need to clean